Get ready for a shocking countdown of the world's most lethal autonomous weapons. From stealthy drones to hypersonic missiles, these game changers are redefining modern warfare. Number 10. Ghost. The U.S. Ghost is a stealthy drone designed for high-risk missions, equipped with advanced missiles and precision-guided munitions. Its capabilities are shrouded in secrecy, but one thing is clear. This drone is a force to be reckoned with, capable of evading enemy defenses and striking with precision. Number 9. Orion-E. Russia's Orion-E is a highly advanced drone that can carry out reconnaissance and strike missions with precision. Its advanced sensors and propulsion systems make it a highly effective and versatile platform, capable of operating in a variety of environments. Number 8. Bayraktar TB2. Turkey's Bayraktar TB2 is a highly advanced drone that has seen extensive combat use. Its advanced sensors and precision-guided munitions make it a highly effective platform, capable of carrying out reconnaissance and strike missions with precision. Number 7. MQ-9 Reaper. The U.S. MQ-9 Reaper is a highly advanced drone that can carry out precision strikes and reconnaissance missions. Its advanced sensors and missiles make it a valuable asset for any military, allowing it to operate in a variety of environments and scenarios. Number 6. CH-7. China's CH-7 is a high-altitude, long-endurance drone that can carry out reconnaissance and strike missions with precision. Its advanced propulsion systems and sensors make it a highly effective and versatile platform, capable of operating in a variety of environments. Number 5. Neuron. France's Neuron is a stealthy UCAV designed for deep strike missions, equipped with advanced missiles and precision-guided munitions. Its unique design and capabilities make it a valuable asset for any military, allowing it to penetrate enemy airspace undetected. Number 4. Tyrannis. The UK's Tyrannis is a cutting-edge unmanned combat air vehicle, UCAV, that can carry out long-range strikes with precision. Its advanced sensors and propulsion systems make it a highly effective and feared weapon, capable of evading enemy defenses. Number 3. MQ-20 Avenger. The U.S. MQ-20 Avenger is a stealthy drone designed for high-risk missions, equipped with advanced missiles and precision-guided munitions. Its capabilities are shrouded in secrecy, but one thing is clear. This drone is a force to be reckoned with. Number 2. Harpy. Israel's Harpy is an anti-radiation drone that can detect and destroy enemy radar systems. With its advanced sensors and autonomous capabilities, Harpy is a formidable force on the battlefield, seeking out and annihilating targets with precision. Number 1. Loyal Wingman. Australia's Loyal Wingman is a cutting-edge drone that can fly alongside manned aircraft, boosting air power. This AI-controlled jet is a true marvel of innovation, taking autonomous warfare to new heights. There you have it, the top 10 most advanced autonomous weapons systems in use today. These cutting-edge drones and missiles are redefining modern warfare, and it's only a matter of time before they change the face of battle forever. Stay tuned for more shocking updates.